What you making for lunch?
Curry.
Yeah.
What a dismal abode you have here.
Denji and Power are still a little too untamed. They could use a good leash like you.
I won't argue that, but why's my place psycho-central?
It's mine now!
Give me my super toast back!
Really no reason to worry. It'll be fine.
Foul vegetables! Be gone!
You damn devil!
The toilet? I'm the type who seldom flushes my feces.
Get your butt in there!
You totally reek!
Humans are so delicate. Far too obsessed with remaining clean.